Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Guys, we are at Super Boss number 11. We are late. We are very late, but it's okay. Better late than never, guys. We're switching to a Pokemon from the sea. We're switching to Rock Blast, giving him a Rock Move Plus, giving him something else, probably a Snap, no, a Lubber. And guys, giving one of the new things that we received that I find very, very cool. This is Full Tackle. Dodrio. Boom. Die. So strong. Super Bosses 11 to 15, guys. We have to hurry. We're behind schedule. Pokemon Masters also has an update. I need to play it. So many things to do. Moltres. Is it a fire or a fire flying? I forgot. But anyway, Moltres. Hey there, it's Kali from the Adventurers Club. Thanks so much for your help with the research at Bulbasaur C. SPL Gum, due to the efforts of you and your fellow adventurers, our basic research into Bulbasaur C has reached the final act. All that's left is our inquiry into the strength of Moltres, but it's been tough going. I can't wait to hear that you've beaten it. Also weak to electric. Let's do it. Let's do it. One straight line, killing everyone and killing you with Volt Tackle. Volt Tackle is so cool. I love it. Yes, SPL Gum, I knew you'd be able to take down Moltres. And that wraps up our basic research at Bulbasaur C. Thanks. We're moving on, guys. You know, I forgot to check which are the other summon gears that we can get from this sea. Next is a Machoke. Machoke. I think now the Pokeball at the bottom is now accessible. A while ago, we cannot touch that. We are almost done with the research at Bulbasaur C, but we've just heard some curious news. It seems that even stronger Pokemon have started showing up. Can I ask you to check it out? So a while ago, we cannot even touch that Pokeball at the bottom. Now we could, I think. And just checking what other summon gears we can get. We can get a Drill Peck gear, the Dynamic Punch gear. Okay. I want Sacred Fire though. Sacred Fire. We're moving on, guys. Machoke. Switch. This is weak. I'm going to stick with this. I'm just giving him a Stored Power Hurricane gear. Let's just go for Hurricane. Super Boss number 1-3. Goodbye, Machoke. Killing everyone with Summon Gear power. Three stars. Moving on to Super Boss 1-4. Golem. Golem. What to do? Let's switch back to Bulbasaur. Give him anything. Give him a Snappy. I can upgrade Snappy. Give him a Leaf Blade Gear. Switch. Battle. Megaton Pokemon. Goodbye. That was it. Three stars. And guys, last super boss for this video. Ooh, a Charizard. Fire Flying. Fire Flying. Let's switch back to Rock Blast and going back to our full tackle gear. Super strong, super cool. Battle. Killing one straight line, not really, and Volt Tackle. And that's it. That is it for this video, guys. That was Super Bosses 11 to 15. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys with Super Bosses number 16 to 20 in the next video.